Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to take this outside shower and make it more like an outside shower. So stand by. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it comes from the factory, from Coachman. And this is a nice little sprayer. And you can adjust it. Let me show you what it looks like when it's spraying. Okay, so you have a little adjustment here on it where you can make it come out like that or even like that, which is nice, but it's not like a shower. So let me show you what you can do for about $7 maybe $5 to $10. So let's go back to my workbench. So come on. All right, and also at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek of my next project that I'm gonna be doing after I finish this one, which is all of 2 minutes. So all you do is basically unscrew it, because it's just a faucet. I mean, it's just a sprayer like you get at Home Depot. And that looks just like the end of a hose. If you want to, you can actually put a regular hose on it. You can move it around on the other side of the camp if you want. But I bought this at Home Depot. It's an Orbit. Looks like a little fireman's nozzle. And we're just going to screw it on. You might need to put a new washer in there, a little rubber washer. But you just screw it on like that. A little hand tightness on it. And let's go back to the faucet. So let's go back to the side. So come on. Okay, so here it is. And we're going to plug it in. You just push it straight in. And look at that. It's a nice little shower. And you can also change it to a cone shape. Different spray heads. But there we go. Look at that nice little shower. Spike approves of that. It's just like a nice little gentle shower. So that's all you got to do. Just put a different faucet on it, and it's still cold water. It's not heated. You don't have hot water. But in the summertime, if you're parked on a black asphalt, your tank gets a little warm, and the water's warm anyway. So it's just not hot. You like that, Spike?
He might drink some of that. No, he's not. Says he's not taking a chance.
Okay. So that's that. Let me show you what my next little a hint on my next project is going to be. I always like to open up the valve and let the hose drain out before I put it up. So there we go.
Okay.
Hey, a sneak peek on my next project. 48 inches by 25 feet of Reflectix. I bought it at Lowe's today. It was $49. They happen to have a couple of them there. I'm gonna do like I did my my refrigerator shade. I'm gonna cut this into little lengths. It'll just come down here, down to about here. It's gonna cover up the windows to keep the sun from going in, because it gets so hot. The heat goes through this glass, unbelievable. So there's more insulation here, but there's no insulation here. So keeping the heat out makes it a lot more comfortable. So I'll do this and I'll make a video on that as I do it, but that's the one for the shower today. So hope it helps you. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, it helps me out. And if you got any questions, just leave a comment below. Thanks a lot. Go out and get in your RVs and see America. It's a great place. I love it. It's a great place to live, great place to visit. America, it's just a great place. Thanks for watching, everyone.